Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade Forex on Moomoo. Moomoo is a popular trading platform that offers a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex. To get started, you need to download and install the Moomoo app on your device. Once installed, open the app and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. First, you need to fund your account. To do this, navigate to the Account section and click on Deposit. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. The minimum deposit amount may vary depending on your location and the payment method you choose. Once your account is funded, you can start trading Forex. To do this, navigate to the Trade section and select the Forex tab. Here, you will see a list of available currency pairs. Choose the pair you want to trade, such as EUR/USD or USD/JPY. You can use the search function to find a specific pair. Next, you need to decide whether you want to buy or sell the currency pair. If you think the value of the currency will increase, you should buy. If you think it will decrease, you should sell. You can use the charts and technical indicators provided by Moomoo to help you make your decision. To place a trade, enter the amount you want to trade and set your stop loss and take profit levels. The stop loss is the price at which your trade will be automatically closed if it goes against you, while the take profit is the price at which your trade will be automatically closed if it goes in your favor. Finally, click on the Buy or Sell button to place your trade. You can monitor your trade in the Trade section, where you can also close it manually if you want. It is essential to have a good understanding of Forex trading and the risks involved before you start trading on Moomoo. Always use proper risk management techniques, such as setting stop loss and take profit levels, to minimize your losses. It is also important to keep in mind that Forex trading involves high risks, and you can lose some or all of your investment. Therefore, it is crucial to educate yourself and develop a solid trading strategy before you start trading on Moomoo. By following these steps and using the tools and resources provided by Moomoo, you can start trading Forex and potentially earn profits.